Ito na mga idol ang kanilang resulta sa laro itong May 28. First game, Converts Pivot versus Tira Perma Gym. Ito ang kanilang quarter score at final score. At dito naman tayo sa kanilang second game, Phoenix Fuel Master versus Rain or Shine. Ito ang kanilang quarter score at ito rin ang kanilang final score. At dito naman tayo sa kanilang PBA standing, pinakalitis update natin mga idol. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Have a nice day. See you to my next vlog. Bye-bye.